Hi mates, I'm back. And nandito kami ngayon sa Kubo. Kubo ng Ocean Bliss Resort located in Nasugbu, Batangas. And tonight, the time is 7 o'clock in the evening, I guess. And
Can you ask Ate what's her breakfast?
our Kuya Neil is back to get our breakfast in advance for tomorrow's Monday breakfast, May 26th. And
Wala yun. I talk to Ate.
iisip pa namin kung anong specialty of the house. So,
Walang tosilo.
kinakontak na mga bata sa kanilang mga order habang si Gio nag-iisip ng kanyang order tomorrow.
Spam. Okay.
Pero I think I'll be having scrambled egg and fried rice
Spam. Okay.
and siguro corned beef kung meron.
Okay.
Wala ba?
Tapos, tapa, longganisa, bangus, spam, hotdog.
Langgunisa
Not
ako.
just any tapa, it's special beef tapa.
Dalawang tapa.
Dalawang tapa. Don't forget the scrambled egg.
Dalawang spam.
Para sa akin.
Ano sa'yo? Palimutan ko sa'yo.
Langgunisa fried rice and scrambled egg. That's it.
Anong egg mo, G?
Di ba yung coffee po, sir, unlimited naman po yun sa tasa.
Sabi ni Kuya Neil, dito lang sa Ocean Bliss makakakita ng unlimited coffee.
Scrambled or
Kaya
sun side up?
Kaya
Isang scrambled.
I guess this is the best place to chill
Isang sunny side up.
for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Ano?
And pag
Sunny side up.
gising niya sa umaga, there will be a beautiful sunrise
Pwede pa isa pa? Kasi diba ano?
and
Good for
a nice
Kung ilan po yung nito, ma'am.
summer breeze.
7? Hindi ba pwedeng 6 lang? Kinabukasan yung isa.
Okay, so
2 nights po kayo dito, ma'am.
exciting.
Bukas lang po siya, ma'am.
Bukas lang.
Unlimited coffee, 3 days,
Extra.
2 nights.
Isang ham and cheese.
So let's chill. Stick around.